buckle from Ferry Hill.
What are you doing and why?
I am doing a skydive because I'm a bit nuts and it's for Macmillan Cancer.
Cool, how much you managed to raise?
500 at the minute.
Well done.
Still some greedy buggers who need to pay.
Looking forward to it, yeah?
Yeah, can't wait.
Not nervous? Not at all?
No, I don't think
Put your
so.
hand out, let's say. Rock steady. Nice one, cool. I'll meet you in the bus then.
Thanks.
Cheers. Feet up.
Get him up, get him up. You alright?
Woohoo!
Wow!
You enjoy that?
You survived! Take your goggles off. Tell them what you thought.
It was absolutely amazing.
That was spot on, that.
Thanks.
Nice one.
Sorry about being a pain with the landing. Really,
We got down, didn't we?
clearly I'm not a pain in the arse, it just really hurt.
You can slacken them off now if you want. Just grab the 2 buckles at the sides.
Apologies for struggling with the landing.
You alright?
Jump up then.
Oh, I landed some rabbit poo.
Well, it could be
Slacking
worse.
these off for you.
Cheers.
Pull that and then just pull that one. Do the same the other side.
You nearly put them down at last minute, didn't you?
What?
Your legs?
No, I didn't. I tried. I
Pull that.
did struggle up in the air though, didn't I?
You got them up off the landing,
Sorry.
So, what you got to say?
That was amazing. Can't believe I've done it. Don't see my really bad hair. No, thank you very much. It was great.
And to your
Guest
sponsors?
sponsoring. Pardon?
And to your sponsors?
Thank you so much. It's a great cause, very close to mine and Nana's heart. So thank you for all your help.
Well done. Put it there.
Thank you.
Welcome to skydiving.
Thank you very much.
You were awesome.